Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. Before I get started, I would like to announce that I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlook because he is currently at the dentist and will not be able to do the Day 2 severe weather outlook. So I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks for the Day 2 outlook. So anyway, we have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses far eastern edge of Wyoming, northwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, and central North Dakota. Cities in tomorrow's slate include Rapid City, South Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, and Dickinson, North Dakota. And there are two marginals for tomorrow. One covering far eastern Montana, western and eastern North Dakota, far northwestern Minnesota, far northwestern and central South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, western Kansas, eastern Colorado, northwestern Oklahoma, the Oklahoma Panhandle, the Texas Panhandle, as well as a little bit of Texas and eastern New Mexico. A second marginal tomorrow covers southeastern Alabama, southern Georgia, parts of the Florida Panhandle, and northern and eastern Florida. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Jacksonville, Florida, Lubbock, Texas, Orlando, Florida, Amarillo, Texas, and Tallahassee, Florida. So going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses eastern Wyoming, northwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, and central North Dakota. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Rapid City, South Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, and Dickinson, North Dakota. Alright. Go to tomorrow's wind threat. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. That encompasses far eastern Wyoming, northwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, and central North Dakota. The 15% wind risk area for tomorrow includes Rapid City, South Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, and Dickinson, North Dakota. And there are two areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covering eastern Montana, western and eastern North Dakota, far northwestern Minnesota, far northwestern and central South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, northwestern Oklahoma, the Oklahoma Panhandle, parts of Texas, the Texas Panhandle, and eastern New Mexico. The second 5% wind risk area tomorrow includes southeastern Alabama, southern Georgia, parts of the Florida Panhandle, and northern and eastern Florida. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Jacksonville, Florida, Lubbock, Texas, Orlando, Florida, Amarillo, Texas, and Tallahassee, Florida. And now for tomorrow's hail threat, there is a 15% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow covering central North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, northwestern Nebraska, and the far eastern edge of Wyoming. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Rapid City, South Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, and Dickinson, North Dakota. And we have a 5% hail risk area tomorrow covering eastern Montana, western and eastern North Dakota, far northwestern Minnesota, far northwestern and central South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, western Kansas, eastern Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, and northwestern Oklahoma. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Amarillo, Texas, Cheyenne, Wyoming, Clovis, New Mexico, Kearney, Nebraska, and Garden City, Kansas. Really? Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow. Okay? The black dashed areas are the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow. Alright? I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the 2-inch hail will be within the black dashed area. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly inch to an inch and a half in diameter hail. Alright? Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Rapid City, South Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, and Dickinson, North Dakota. Alright, in summary, thunderstorms with large hail, severe wind gusts, and potentially an isolated tornado threat are expected on Tuesday afternoon and evening in parts of the northern plains. Strong wind gusts and marginal hail will also be possible in parts of the southern and central high plains. A few severe wind gusts may also occur from southern Georgia into northern and eastern Florida. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. And once again, I was filling in for SPC convective outlooks. I was filling in for SPC convective outlooks on this outlook video because he's currently at the dentist and will be unavailable to do today's day 2 outlook video. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Yes, even if you're only in the marginal, because you never know what marginals can pull off sometimes. But especially be safe in the slight, because the slight is bigger than a marginal, in the sense that the slight risk is a higher threat than a marginal. Okay, so you never know what marginals and slight can pull off sometimes. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over all of this again in tomorrow's day 1 severe weather outlook video. Take care.